recording. Yeah. So how do you find the unit digit of a number like this? 12 into 13 into 14 into 17 into 23 into 42 into 49 into 48. How do you find the unit digit of this number? Kashika, कैसे निकालोगे?
Say unit digit.
Yeah, of this product. कैसे निकालोगे?
Say unit digit को multiply करके.
सिर्फ यूनिट डिजिट को ही मल्टीप्लाई करना है. जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई यूनिट डिजिट. 2 into 3 6, 6
6,
into 4 24.
24.
Just keep 4.
Okay,
Ignore the
sir.
2. 4 sevens are
7 4 are
28.
28. 8.
Just keep 8. 8 threes are 24. Just keep 4.
4.
4 twos are 8. 8 nines are 72. Just keep 2.
22.
2 eights are 16. So this is
6.
easy, right? So finally, the unit digit of this product is 6. We have just multiplied the unit digits. And whenever we got two-digit number as the product, we just kept the unit digit of that two-digit number. Like 3 fours are, we got 2 threes are 6, 6 fours are 24. So instead of 24, we just multiplied 4 with the next unit digit. So 4 sevens are 28. We got 28 here. We did not multiply 28. We multiplied 8 with the next unit digit and so on. So this is very easy, right? What happens when we have to find the unit digit of a number like 32 to the power of 313? Now, the question is still easy. The question is still easy, but it becomes method oriented now. Let us see how we can go about finding the unit digit of a number like 32 to the power 313. So 32 to the power of 313, the first thing you ought to know is that because we are calculating unit digits, we are only concerned with the unit digit of 32. So the unit digit will be the same as that of 2 to the power 313. मतलब 32 to the power of 313 का जो unit digit होने वाला है वो 2 to the power of 313 के unit digit के बराबर ही होगा. They both will be equal. Correct? Now there is no way I can multiply 2 into 2 into 2 313 times. In CAT or any other competitive exam, if the question looks too complex, one of these things will apply. Either you've got to leave the question or there is some pattern that will apply. Whenever the questions look complex, ये याद रखना, specifically CAT में. So if I do 2 to the power 1, I get 2 as the unit digit. 2 square gives me 4 as the unit digit. 2 cube gives me 8 as the unit digit. 2 to the power 4 gives me 6 as the unit digit. Now what happens when I go beyond 2 to the power 4? Because 2 to the power 4 is 16. Since I am only interested in unit digit, I keep 6. 2 to the power 5 is basically 32. But since I am only interested in unit digit, I keep 2. 2 to the power 6 is basically 64. But since I'm interested in unit digit, I keep 4. Then we get 128 and I keep 8. And then we have 256, I keep 6. What do you see here? You see that 2 to the power 4 also gives me a unit digit of 6. 2 to the power 8 also gives me a unit digit of 6. And the unit digits follow this pattern 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6, and so on. Once this is known to me, the question becomes very easy. What I need to do is, because this pattern of 4 follows, I must divide. If I want to find the unit digit of say 2 to the power 73, just divide this power by 4. What do I get as the remainder? I can say that this number is equal to 2 to the power 72 plus 1. So 2 to the power 72 will have the same unit digit as 2 to the power 8. And then the pattern will again repeat. You will have 2 as the unit digit. So 2 to the power 72 plus 1 will have the same unit digit as 2 to the power 1. So how do we generalize it? I divide the power by 4. If the power is a multiple of 4, 2 to the power a multiple of 4, I get 6 as the unit digit. If the power is 1 more than a multiple of 4, 2 to the power 4k plus 1. And how do I know that? I know this by the remainders. So if the power is in the form of 2 to the power 4k plus 1, I'll get a remainder of 1. So if the power is 2 to the power 4k plus 1, my unit digit will be 2. If the power is 2 to the power 4k plus 2, my unit digit will be 4. If the power is 2 to the power 4k plus 3, my unit digit will be 8. And how do I obtain these numbers? By dividing the powers by 4. So Shlok, suppose I have a number like 2 to the power 75 and I want to find the unit digit. What will you do? किससे divide करोगे 75 को?
5.
देखो यूनिट डिजिट सिंपल है, हमको इस पे 15 से 20 मिनट लेकिन स्पेंड करना पड़ेगा, तभी 2 डिजिट समझ में आएगा. So those of you who are already clear on unit digit, just have patience for 10-15 minutes and then we will move to. हाँ जी श्लोक बताओ.
Sir, 5.
How do you get 5? हमें क्या करना होता है? इस पावर को 4 से डिवाइड करो. क्यों 4 से डिवाइड करना है? क्योंकि यूनिट डिजिट की पैटर्न 2 के लिए जो है वो 4-4 के बाद रिपीट हो रही है. इसको हम बोलते हैं द पैटर्न रिपीट्स आफ्टर 4 और द साइक्लिसिटी ऑफ यूनिट डिजिट्स इज 4. कुछ भी बोल सकते हो इसको. तो इसीलिए 75 को 4 से डिवाइड किया आपने. व्हाट इज द रिमाइंडर?
5.
रिमाइंडर इज नॉट 5.
Yes, yes.
See, the remainder is 3. So I can write this as 2 to the power 4k, that is 72, which is a multiple of 4, plus remainder 3.
3.
The unit digit will be equivalent to the unit digit of 2 cube. What is the unit digit of 2 cube? 8. So the unit digit will be 8. Have you all understood this? If you have understood this, give me a thumbs up, please. If you have not understood this, give me a thumbs down. Yeah, good evening, Dinesh, Apurva. Okay, fine. I got your message. Let us do 3-4 more questions because the method is very similar for all the other digits as well. So 2 to the power 112 or 113. Suppose I want to find the unit digit of 2 to the power 114. Vanshika, what will I do? Vanshika, heck. Okay, Vishakha, what will I do?
So we will divide 114 by 4.
Okay, so what is the remainder?
27.
20? No, 114 by 4. You divide 114 by 4. The power by 4. What is the remainder? You get 2 as the remainder. What does it mean? I can write this number as 2 to the power 112 plus 2. 112 is a multiple of 4. So therefore, the unit digit will be equivalent to the unit digit of 2 square, that is equal to 4. Have you understood this? Vishaka, clear hai?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, 2 to the power 717. What will be the unit digit, Khushbu? Is Khushbu there? हाँ जी खुशबू. अनुष्का आप बताओ. Anushka, if you're speaking something, you're not audible. No, you're still not audible. Yeah.
2, sir.
Okay, so what will you do? For the benefit of your friends here in the class, you will divide 717 by 4. So the remainder is 1. So you can write this as 2 to the power 716 plus 1. 716 is a multiple of 4. So the unit digit of this number will be equivalent to the unit digit of 2 to the power 1, which is equal to 2. Very good. Is the method clear to all? Is the
Yes,
method clear
sir.
to all? Shlok, one last question. 2 to the power 54. What will be the unit digit? What will you do? क्या करोगे?
4.
4 सर.
कैसे आया श्लोक?
सर पावर इसकी जो यूनिट डिजिट जा रही है 4 होगी.
नहीं, पावर की डिजिट 4 जा रही है इसलिए 4 नहीं है. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? वी आर
Remainder
डिवाइडिंग
is
द
2.
पावर. Yeah, we are dividing the power by 4. So we divide 54 by 4, then the remainder is 2. And therefore, I write 54 as 2 to the power of 52 plus 2. The unit digit of this number will be equal to unit digit of 2 to the power this remainder. So 2 square का remainder कितना आता है? 2 square का unit digit कितना आता है? 4.
4.
Bhai, have you understood what we are doing? We are dividing the power by 4. And why are we dividing the power by 4? Because the pattern repeats after 4 terms. जिसको हम बोलते हैं cyclicity is 4.
Okay sir.
So one more श्लोक. 2 to the power 76 और 78. बताओ क्या रिमाइंडर, क्या यूनिट डिजिट आएगा? क्या करोगे?
Sir 8 sir, then it would be
4.
4, 8.
अनुष्का 1 मिनट रुको, उसको बताने दो 1 मिनट, उसको शायद समझ में नहीं आया अभी. जस्ट होल्ड ऑन. See, हम what are we trying to do, श्लोक?
Yes sir.
क्या कर रहे हैं हम? पावर को किससे डिवाइड कर रहे हैं?
So unit digit sir.
नहीं, पावर को यूनिट डिजिट से डिवाइड नहीं कर रहे हैं हम. We are dividing the power by 4. Why 4? Because the pattern of unit digit is repeating after every 4 terms. हर 4 टर्म्स के बाद देखो ये 2 4 8 6, फिर से 2 4 8 6, तो ये
Yes, sir.
4 टर्म्स के बाद रिपीट हो रही है. तो इसीलिए we have divided this power by 4. 78 divided by 4. What is the remainder? Remainder क्या
Sir.
आता है?
So 2
2. So I can write this as 76 plus 2.
plus 2.
76 is a multiple of 4.
Yes,
So
sir.
the unit digit will be equivalent to the unit digit of 2 to the power of this 2 remainder. What is the unit
Yes,
digit
sir.
of 2 to the power 2? 4.
Mm.
Hence your answer is 4. समझ में आया?
Yes sir.
चलो, one last. Is Amol here? Yeah, Amol 2 to the power 76 पे क्या रिमाइंडर आएगा, क्या यूनिट डिजिट आएगा बताओ? 2 to the power 76 में क्या यूनिट डिजिट आएगा? अबीर बताओ क्या आएगा? हाँ जी.
Yes, sir.
76
Sir, 2 to the power
76 का यूनिट डिजिट.
6.
ओके, वेरी गुड. क्यों? क्योंकि 76 को जब 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो वो एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड हो जाता है, तो इट बिकम्स 2 टू द पावर 4k. और 2 टू द पावर 4k का यूनिट डिजिट क्या है? 6. ये हमें पता है, पैटर्न है ये. क्या ये मेथड सबको समझ में आ गई? इफ समझ में आ गई तो गिव मी अ थम्स अप. इफ यू अंडरस्टूड इट, गिव मी अ थम्स अप. Okay, great. The same method applies to other digits. For example, if I ask you, what is the unit digit of, let's say, a number like 3 to the power 77? All you need to know is the pattern number or the cyclicity of unit digits for these numbers. So here is a listing. The pattern for unit digits for the digits 2, 3, 7, 8 will repeat after every 4 terms. So if you have a number like 23 to the power of something, or 27 to the power of something, or 28 to the power of something, in each of these cases, you will divide the power by 4. Why? Because the unit digit repeats after every 4 terms. For numbers ending in 4 and 9, जिन नंबर के यूनिट डिजिट 4 और 9 होते हैं, उनकी पैटर्न हमेशा 2 टर्म्स के बाद रिपीट होती है. इसका मतलब क्या है? इनकी पावर्स को आप 2 से डिवाइड करोगे. यू विल नॉट डिवाइड बाय 4, यू विल डिवाइड बाय 2. सो फॉर एग्जांपल 24 टू द पावर ऑफ 771, what will you divide this? You will divide the power by 2. You will get 24 to the power of 771 when divided by 2 will give you a remainder of 1. correct? So the unit digit in this case will be equivalent to the unit digit of 4 to the power 771, and 4 to the power 771 can be written as 4 to the power 770 plus 1. We are dividing it by 2, so 770 is divisible by 2, correct? And you get the remainder as 1. So the unit digit will be equivalent to 4 to the power 1, which is equal to 4. And for the digits 0, 1, 5, and 6, the unit digit will always remain the same. So 25 to the power any number, the unit digit will always be 5. 26 to the power any number, the unit digit will always be 6. 21 to the power any number, the unit digit will always be 1. The unit digits will not change in these cases. Have you all understood this? If you have understood this, I want all of you to try these questions. Right? In questions को try करो फटाफट, and I will ask one by one. Sabine, would you like to speak something? Would you like to help? Sabine. Dinesh, would you like to help?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What will you do? What is the first thing you will check?
We
3 to
should
the power
divide the
30.
power.
You will check the cyclicity for unit digits. So
Yes,
let us
sir.
do that. 2,
Yes,
3,
sir, we
7,
should-
8. What is the cyclicity?
4.
Cyclicity 4. The pattern repeats
So-
after every 4 terms. So
We
in
should
this
divide
case, you will
31
divide
by
the power by
4.
4. Very good. So you divide the power by 4, you will get 3 to the power.
3 is the remainder.
Yeah, very good. So 4k plus 3. So the unit digit of this number will be the same as unit digit of 3 cube, which is equal to 7. 3 cube is 27.
27.
Unit
Yes,
digit
sir.
will be 7.
7.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Riju, would you like to answer the next one? 3 to the power 318. What will you do? Riju?
यस सर बोल रहा
हाँ बोलो बोलो.
है 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे सर
वेरी गुड. तो 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो रिमाइंडर कितना आता है? 318 को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे. देखो 318 को करने की जरूरत नहीं है. 4 की डिविजिबिलिटी क्या है? लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स को 4 से डिवाइड कर दो.
2 सर.
18 को 4 से डिवाइड किया तो रिमाइंडर आया 2.
2
सो यू कैन राइट दिस एज 3 टू द पावर 4k plus 2. और इसका यूनिट डिजिट किसके बराबर होगा? 3 स्क्वायर के बराबर. और 3 स्क्वायर का यूनिट डिजिट क्या होता है? 9.
9
राइट? अनुष्का, अब बताओ आप.
सर 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 7931 है रिमाइंडर. 4 से डिवाइड करने के बाद 0 आ रहा है तो लास्ट डिजिट 4931 1 आएगा.
राइट. सो 7 टू द पावर 4k के फॉर्म में है, तो इसका यूनिट डिजिट 7 टू द पावर 4 के यूनिट डिजिट के बराबर ही होगा. और 7 टू द पावर 4 का यूनिट डिजिट क्या होगा? 7 इंटू 7 इंटू 7 इंटू 7. ये 1 ही आने वाला है. 7 7 जार 49. इन दोनों का 9 होता है, इन दोनों का भी 9 आया. 9 9 जार 81. सो यू विल गेट 1 एज द यूनिट डिजिट. क्लियर है?
यस सर.
और जैसे 4 टू द पावर 231 के लिए क्या करेंगे?
So 231 divided by 2.
231
one
डिवाइडेड
remain-
बाय 2, क्योंकि
one
4 और
remainder
9
आएगा.
की साइक्लिसिटी जो है वो 2 की है. So you divide this by 2, you will get 2k plus 1 because remainder is 1. So the unit digit of this number will be equal to unit digit of 4 to the power 1, which is 4. कशिका 7 to the power 127 का unit digit क्या आएगा? बताओ कैसे करोगे?
सर आंसर आएगा 3.
आंसर 3 आएगा.
We'll divide 127 by 4.
वेरी गुड. सो 7 to the power 4k, इसका रिमाइंडर आया 3.
3.
127 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 का इसका unit digit will be equal to the
7
unit digit of 7 cube,
That
which
is
is equal to 3.
343.
Absolutely right. So
Hmm.
have you all understood this unit digit wala funda? If you all understood unit digit, just give me a thumbs up because we have to quickly go to last two digits. Last two digits में थोड़ा सा time ज़्यादा लगेगा आपको. All of you are clear? Okay. Next. Okay, इनमें से एक क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं हम. Let's do this one. करो जरा आंसर. I am going to give you 1 minute for this. Yeah. Your time has already started. Somebody has already given me the answer. Okay.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, good. So how many of you got 7 as the answer? How many of you got 7 as the answer?
7.
Yeah. So 27 to the power of 313 is nothing but 27 to the power of 4k plus 1, because when you divide 313 by 4, you get 1 as the remainder. 39 to the power of 25 can be rewritten as 39 to the power of 2k plus 1. 73 to the power of 14 can be written as 73 to the power of 4k plus 2. So here the unit digit will be 7. Here the unit digit will be 9. Here again the unit digit will be 9. 9 nines are 81. 1 into 7 will give me 7 as the unit digit. This whole question should not take more than 20 seconds. 20 seconds is the max that this question should take for anyone. So I hope unit digit is amply clear. Let's move to last two digits. Now last two digit is purely method oriented. इसमें याद रखने वाली चीजें हैं कुछ और इसलिए इसमें हम टाइम थोड़ा सा स्पेंड करेंगे. सबसे पहले last two digits for numbers ending in 5. Correct? Last two digits for numbers ending in 5. For example, if I have a number 15, 15 square will always end in a 25 because 15 square is 225. Correct? So if 15 square is 225, it is going to end in a 225. What about 15 cube? The last two digits of 15 cube will always be 75. Now what is the rule? What is the rule here? The rule here is, if I want to find out the last two digits of numbers ending in 5, I have to check not only the last digit, but I also have to check the previous digit. So if the previous digit is odd, that is the tens place digit is odd, and the last digit is 5, and if I raise it to an odd power, then the unit digit will be 75. ठीक है, odd power greater than 1, mind you, odd power greater than 1, because 15 के पावर में अगर 1 रखोगे तो 15 ही आएगा, पर 15 के पावर में 3 करोगे तो 75 आएगा, last two digits. So odd number at the tens place, 5 at the units place to an odd power is going to give me 75 as the last two digits. Odd 5 to the power of an even number will give me a 25 at the units place. अब आपको सिर्फ ये याद रखना है कि 75 कब आने वाला है, बाकी सब 25 ही आता है. Even number at the tens place and 5 at the units place raised to any power is always going to give you 25 as the last two digits. तो 75 कब आता है? जब tens place पे odd digit है और power भी odd है, तब 75 आएगा. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? एक ही बार 75 आता है, बाकी हर बार 25 आएगा यूनिट डिजिट. So 35 to the power of say 15. What will be the last two digits? क्या आएगा?
75.
75. Because tens place पे odd number है और power में भी odd number है. Last two digits will be 75. ठीक है? 35 to the power of 143. श्लोक कितना आएगा?
75.
75 ही आएगा आपको. So 5 का easy है याद रखना. So what is it? Even number at the tens place, 5 at the unit place, raised to power k will always give me 25 as the unit digit. The only place where we get 75 as the unit digit is odd number at the tens place, 5 at the unit place, raised to the power odd number. Then I'll get 75 at the units, last two digits. So with this background, yeah, give me an answer. So who will, Anurag, will you give me an answer? Anurag, आंसर करो.
Yes, sir.
टेंस प्लेस पे क्या है?
75.
टेंस प्लेस पे क्या है? ऑड नंबर.
Sir, odd.
और यहाँ पे क्या है? 5 है. और पावर में क्या है? ऑड नंबर है. तो क्या आएगा?
75.
75. देवेंद्र, would you like to answer?
So 25.
Okay, Dinesh has answered. दिनेश क्या आएगा इसमें? 25 to the power of 515. जैसे ही आपको टेंस प्लेस पे इवन नंबर देखता है, फिर तो भूल जाओ सब कुछ. It's always 25. The only time you will be careful is when there is an odd number at the tens place. Correct? So, Vishakha, what will be the answer for this number? 35 to the power of 234?
Sir, 25.
It will be 25 because odd number at the tens place, but even number in the power. Right? Who else? Apurva, what will be the answer to the next one?
25.
Again, it will be 25 because 4 at the tens place and 5 at the units place. So immediately you will write this as 25. So have you understood the last two digit calculation for digits or numbers that end in 5? If you've understood, give me a thumbs up. Okay, it is still not a full house of thumbs up. किसी को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है क्या अभी भी? I hope समझ में आ रहा होगा. Now, the next odd number is odd number ending in 1. For example, we have a number like 31 to the power of 47. Correct? So how many of you have a background in maths? Raise your hands. How many of you have a background in maths? Engineering, BSc, MSc, whatever. कुछ भी जो जिनको मैथ्स का बैकग्राउंड 11th 12th में जिन्होंने मैथ्स लिया था. Okay, so Anushka, if I expand this in terms of binomial, जिनका बैकग्राउंड मैथ्स में नहीं है उनको सोचना भी नहीं है, सुनना भी नहीं है. What will be the general term for this? X plus a to the power of n. What is the general term for this? NCR. X to the power n minus r. 4 साल में भूल गए बायनोमियल थ्योरम. NCR x to the power n minus r, a to the power r. ठीक है, मैं आप लोगों को इसलिए समझा रहा हूं so that you know from where the method will has been arrived at. जो मैं मेथड बताने वाला हूं अभी इसके बाद. ठीक है, and I am only talking to people with a background in maths. बाकी लोगों को अभी आराम से बैठना है. ठीक है, Maths is a beautiful subject. So 47 C46 into 30 to the power of 1 into 1 to the power of 46 plus these will be the last two terms. 47 C47 into 30 to the power of 0 into 1 to the power of 47. All other terms are unnecessary. For the last two digits, only the last two terms will be consequential. And this converts into a beautiful method. What is the method? If I want to calculate the last two digits of 31 to the power of 47, because this number ends in a 1, I know that the last digit is going to be 1. What about the second last digit or the tens place? Just multiply these two numbers. Which numbers? The unit digit of the power and the tens digit of the actual number or the base. So 3 multiplied by 7. What do you get? 21. Retain this digit. So you get 11. So what is the unit digit, last two digits of 31 to the power of 47? It is 11. Let us do one more. 21 to the power of 68. What will be the unit digit of 21 to the power of any number? The unit digit is always going to be 1. What about the tens digit? This 2 multiplied by 8. The unit digit of the power multiplied by the tens digit of the number. So 2 8s are 16. Just keep this 6. The last two digits of 21 to the power 68 will be 61. Is the method clear to all? Method सबको clear हो गई है? If it's clear, give me a thumbs up.
सर एक बार और समझा दीजिए.
ठीक है. देखो 21 to the power of 68. इसका यूनिट डिजिट क्या आने वाला है पूर्वी बताओ. इसका यूनिट डिजिट तो 1 ही आएगा. अब ये जो डिजिट एट द टेंस प्लेस निकालना है हमको. फॉर दिस वी मल्टीप्लाई द यूनिट डिजिट ऑफ द पावर with the tens digit of the number. 2 8s are 16 and I have to retain this 6. So what are the last two digits? 61. Have you understood this? Chalo. 41 to the power of 86. Chalo Purvi, let us start with you only. What will be the unit digit for this number?
Sir, it will be 1.
Very good. And then?
Sir, 4 into 6, 441.
4 into 6, 24. 24 का retain क्या करना है?
4.
So your answer will be 41. The last two digits will be 41. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
21 to the power of 88. ओजस्वी क्या आंसर आएगा?
61.
Right. 1 as the last digit. 2 8s are gives you 16. So 16 का 6 retain करना है. If this is clear, give me a thumbs up so that we can move on to the next digits. If this is clear, give me a thumbs up so that we can move on to the next digits. Yeah. So before we move on to the next digits, चलो ये क्वेश्चंस को आंसर कर दो बस एक एक करके. अनुराग सबसे पहले आपका नंबर है. फटाफट बताते चलो क्या आंसर आएगा. हाँ जी अनुराग. 31 to the power of 213. क्या करेंगे? What is the unit digit? Unit digit will be 1. उसके बाद किसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे?
3 को 1 से.
3 को 1 से क्यों?
21 से करेंगे.
क्यों भाई? हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं? यूनिट डिजिट ऑफ द पावर and tens digit of the base or the number. तो 31 का टेंस प्लेस पे क्या है 3, पावर के यूनिट प्लेस पे क्या है वो भी 3 है, 3 3 सा क्या आता है 9,
9
तो टेंस प्लेस पे 9 9 आएगा, तो आपका लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स क्या हो गए 91। श्लोक इसका आंसर करो।
सर 81।
राइट, यूनिट्स प्लेस पे आया 1, 7 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया आता है 28, 28 का 8 रिटेन करना है। क्लियर है? अबीर नेक्स्ट आंसर करो। राइट, सो यूनिट प्लेस पे आएगा 1, 6 2 ज़र गिव्स यू 12, 12 का 2 रिटेन करना है, आंसर इज 21। हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस दिनेश? नेक्स्ट आंसर करो।
Sir. 51, sir.
यूनिट प्लेस पे 1, या 5 7 ज़ा 35, 35 का 5। हैव यू अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? इट्स अ वेरी इजी मेथड, राइट?
Yes, sir.
दिस इज प्योरली मैकेनिकल, ये याद रखना, मतलब ये इतनी मैकेनिकल है कि अगर आपने इसको रिवाइज नहीं किया तो भूल जाओगे उतनी जल्दी, अदरवाइज आपको बाइनोमियल थ्योरम आनी चाहिए, ठीक है? बिकॉज इट इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन बाइनोमियल। पारुल, व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट आंसर?
Sir, 71.
71 यूनिट प्लेस पे आएगा 1, टेंस प्लेस पे यू मल्टीप्लाई दिस 1 with the unit place or the unit digit of the power with the tens digit of the number. 71 is your answer. Have you understood? Saurabh, would you like to answer the next one? Saurabh Patel, would you like to answer the next one?
सॉरी सर, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया।
Okay, आप अभी आए हो क्या?
जी सर।
Okay, देखो इसके लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स पे 61 के पावर में कुछ भी रख दो आप, उसका यूनिट प्लेस पे तो 1 ही आने वाला है, ठीक है ना? और टेंस प्लेस पे हमें क्या करना है, पावर का यूनिट डिजिट और इस नंबर का टेंस डिजिट, मतलब 6, 6 को मल्टीप्लाई करो 7 से, कितना आता है 42, 42 का 4 छोड़ देना है, 2 रख लेना है, सो द लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स विल बी 21। Have you understood it? Saurabh, have you understood?
नो सर।
बताओ कहाँ पे डाउट है इसमें? Let me know. क्या समझ में नहीं आया? देखो 21 को पावर में 1, यूनिट प्लेस पे क्या आता है 1, 21 के पावर में 2, 441 आता है, यूनिट प्लेस पे 1, 21 के पावर में कुछ भी रख दोगे या 61 के पावर में कुछ भी रख दोगे तो उसकी यूनिट प्लेस तो हमेशा 1 ही आने वाली है। और फिर आपको इस पावर को 61 के पावर में क्या है 117, 117 का यूनिट डिजिट है 7, इस यूनिट डिजिट को मल्टीप्लाई करना है ये टेंस डिजिट पे, मतलब 61 के टेंस डिजिट से, मतलब 6 से, तो 6 into 7 कितना होता है 42, 42 का क्या रखना है 2, तो 21। I hope it's clear now. Sabine, would you like to answer the next one? Okay, Abir has already answered. So 1 is at the units place. 3 8s are 24, so 41. Is this clear to all? Yeah. Then this will give me a unit digit of last 2 digits of 31, and the last 2 digits here will be 0 1. I hope this method is very clear. If it's clear, give me a thumbs up so that we can move on to the next set of digits. Clear है सबको?
So 31 वाला 42 होगा ना?
नहीं, 1 आया, कौन सा 31 वाला?
40, हाँ वो वाला।
31 के पावर में कुछ भी रेस करो तो यूनिट प्लेस पे तो 1 ही आने वाला है. This is 31, right? 1 at the units place. So unit digit is not going to change at all. It will always remain the same. The entire fight is for the
समझ
second. समझ गए?
हाँ.
Yeah. Next. Now, what if the odd digits end in 3, 7, or 9? Now, before we go to these questions, I want you to know one property. The first thing is the last two digits of squares of numbers till 25 should be known to you in advance. I'm sure everybody knows the last two digits of numbers or squares till 15. ये तो सबको याद होते हैं. Am I right? 15 तक के स्क्वायर सबको मालूम है.
Yes.
15 के ऊपर के मैं लिख
Yes,
रहा हूँ
sir.
यहाँ पे just for reference. 16 square 256, the last two digits are 56. 17 square 289, the last two digits are 89. 18 square 324, the last two digits are 24. 19 square 361, the last two digits are 61. 20 square, the last two digits are 100, 00. 21 square, the last two digits are 41. 22 square, the last two digits are 84. 23 square, the last two digits are 29. And 24 square, the last two digits are 76. Now this is something which should be known to all of you. इतना तो याद ही होना चाहिए सबको. 22 स्क्वायर का है 84. Now why you should know? ये 2 मिनट में आपको समझ में आएगा क्योंकि अगली मेथड में इसका भरपूर यूज होने वाला है. Now see how I am going to use these two properties. The property is the last two digits of 50 plus minus k whole square is the same as the last two digits of k square. मतलब 50 plus minus 4 का स्क्वायर, इसका लास्ट टू डिजिट्स किसके बराबर होने वाला है? 4 के स्क्वायर के बराबर होने वाला है. 4 के स्क्वायर के लास्ट टू डिजिट्स क्या होते हैं? 16. सो द लास्ट टू डिजिट्स आर इक्वल टू 16. 50 प्लस 4 क्या होता है? 54 का स्क्वायर. और 50 माइनस 4 क्या होता है? 46 का स्क्वायर. करके देखो यही आ रहा है क्या आंसर? होता क्या है? इट्स बेसिकली इक्वल टू 50 माइनस 4 का होल स्क्वायर. ठीक है ना? Therefore, the last two digits will be the square of this 4 only. Always. आ रहा है? आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है? चलो. Tell me what will be the last two digits of 57 का स्क्वायर? अनुष्का बताओ. अनुष्का?
49 ना?
या 49. क्यों? क्योंकि ये 50 प्लस 7 का स्क्वायर है. तो इसके लास्ट टू डिजिट्स विल बी इक्वल टू द लास्ट टू डिजिट्स ऑफ 7 स्क्वायर, दैट इज इक्वल टू 49. ओजस्वी 73 स्क्वायर के लास्ट टू डिजिट्स बताओ.
So 29.
करेक्ट, बिकॉज दिस इज 50 प्लस 23 का होल स्क्वायर. इसके लास्ट टू डिजिट्स विल बी द सेम एज द लास्ट टू डिजिट्स ऑफ 23 होल स्क्वायर, जो मेरे यहाँ पे रेफरेंस टेबल में, आप रेफरेंस टेबल कॉपी में उतार लो ये, क्योंकि अभी जिसको याद नहीं होगा उसको बहुत दिक्कत होगी ये करने में. सो 23 का स्क्वायर गिव्स यू 29 एज द लास्ट टू डिजिट्स. क्लियर है? चलो, लास्ट टू डिजिट्स ऑफ 37 का होल स्क्वायर. कशिका क्या आएगा?
Sir, 69.
Correct. You will think of this as 50 minus 13 का square, and the last two digits here will be the last two digits of 13 square, which is equal to 69. Right? 38 का square के last two digits कितना है?
44.
Correct.
44.
50 minus 12 का whole square. इसके last two digits will be the last two digits of 12 square, which is 44. विशाखा 32 के स्क्वायर के लास्ट टू डिजिट्स क्या होंगे बताओ? 50 minus
64.
24.
by 64.
24.
See, 32 is basically 50 minus 18. और
Yes,
18 का स्क्वायर के लास्ट टू डिजिट्स क्या है?
24.
24. So your answer should be
24.
24. I hope this is clear to all.
यस सर.
चलो अब मुझे इन सारे नंबर्स के लास्ट टू डिजिट्स बता दे. चलो अनुराग सबसे पहले आप बताओ 39 स्क्वायर के लास्ट टू डिजिट्स क्या होंगे? अनुराग.
सर 11.
11 तो 50 माइनस 11 होता है, पर इसकी जब स्क्वायर करोगे और लास्ट
सर,
टू डिजिट्स ढूंढोगे,
21.
हाँ, तो 11 स्क्वायर के लास्ट टू डिजिट्स के बराबर होंगे 21. विशाखा 37 स्क्वायर के लास्ट टू डिजिट्स बताओ क्या होगा?
Sir, 69.
69. वेरी गुड. रिजू 33 स्क्वायर के लास्ट टू डिजिट्स क्या होंगे बताओ फटाक से.
Uh, 50 minus 17 square.
करेक्ट. तो 17 स्क्वायर के लास्ट टू डिजिट्स याद नहीं है तो ये देख लो यहाँ पे. दिस इज योर रेफरेंस. वेयर इज इट गॉन? या व्हाट इज द लास्ट टू डिजिट्स ऑफ 17 स्क्वायर? 89.
89 sir.
So your answer must be 89. Clear? श्लोक 64 स्क्वायर के लास्ट टू डिजिट्स बताओ क्या होंगे?
Sir, sir, 96.
वेरी गुड. सो ये 14 स्क्वायर के बराबर होगा, विच विल बी इक्वल टू 96. नेक्स्ट अबीर 74 स्क्वायर के लास्ट टू डिजिट्स बताओ फटाक से. 24 square and which is equal to 76. आयुष 69 स्क्वायर के लास्ट टू डिजिट्स बताओ.
61.
61. वेरी गुड. और जस्ट 86 स्क्वायर के लास्ट टू डिजिट्स बताओ.
सर 96.
96. 87 स्क्वायर के लास्ट टू डिजिट्स क्या होंगे? जल्दी से फटाक से अपूर्वा बताओ. कम ऑन.
सर 69.
69. दिनेश 34 स्क्वायर के लास्ट टू डिजिट्स. Dinesh, the last two digits of 34 square will be equivalent to?
56, sir.
Okay, very good. So 16 square, that is 56. Absolutely right. So I hope this much is clear to you. Now let us launch ourselves into questions. Now suppose I want to find the last two digits of a number like 47 to the power of 126. Correct? Now there is no direct way of arriving at the last two digits. There is no direct method. So what we will do is, let us first of all take a number which is 47 to the power of 124, exact multiple of 4. Now I know that if somehow I get some number which is ending in 1, and if I have some power say x, y, and some number like z1, so z1 to the power of xy, if I can convert this number into this form, a number whose last digit is 1 and some power, then I have a method. I have just learned a method to find the last two digits for such a number. And I also know that 7 to the power 4 gives me 2401. So 7 to the power 4 ends in a 1. So what I'll do is, I will write this number as 47 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 31. How? Because by law of indices, a to the power of b whole to the power of c is equal to a to the power of b multiplied by c. So 47 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 31 is nothing but 47 to the power of 4 into 31. And this is nothing but 47 to the power of 124. So why did I convert this into power of 4? Because I wanted a 1 at the end. Now see, 47 to the power of 4 can be written as 47 square multiplied by 47 square to the power of 31. Now tell me, what are the last two digits of 47 square? श्लोक क्या होगा? 47 स्क्वायर के लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स क्या आएंगे? अभी हमने मेथड देखी थी। श्लोक है कि नहीं है?
सर 09 सर।
09, वेरी गुड। सो 09 आएगा, ये भी 09 आएगा, रेस्ट टू पावर 31, 9 9s आर 81 टू द पावर ऑफ 31। सो 81 टू द पावर ऑफ 31 के लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स क्या होंगे? लास्ट डिजिट होगा 1, और फिर 8 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम? I'll multiply this 8 with this 1 and I'll get 81 as the answer. Is the method clear to you all? It requires very quick computation of last 2 digits of squares. अगर वो quick computation नहीं होगा तो फिर गड़बड़ होगी. Let us do one more. 67 to the power of 420. I want to find the last 2 digits of this number. What is the first step? पहली स्टेप क्या है? मुझे अंदर किसकी पावर लेनी पड़ेगी? कोई भी बताओ। अंदर किसकी पावर लेनी पड़ेगी मुझे? अरुण? 4 की पावर। क्यों 4 की पावर? क्योंकि 7 to the power 4 मुझे 1 मिलता है। So I will immediately write this as 67 to the power of 4 and whole to the power of 105. I hope this much law of indices is clear to you. इसको हम क्या लिखेंगे? 67 square into 67 square whole to the power of 105. Now what is the unit digit, last 2 digits of 67 square? क्या होगा last 2 digits 67 square का?
89.
89, because 67 is 50 plus 17, so this will also give me 89, this will also give me 89. So now this is 89 square whole to the power of 105. What are the last 2 digits of 89 square?
21.
Right, 100. 89 is 100 minus 11. So 89 square will have the same last 2 digits as 11 square, which is 21. So now I can write this as 21 to the power of 105. So what do you get as the answer? Unit place we have 1, and the tens place you will have 2 5s are 10, 1 is ignored, you will have 0 1 as the answer. Is the method clear to all? Yeah, Dinesh, you have a question?
Sir, can't we use the last method, taking unit digit and multiplying the tens digit?
No, that is typically applicable only for digits ending in 1. That's why I said that last 2 digits is method oriented, or else you must know binomial theorem. But since most of you are not aware of binomial theorem, we will not get into binomial theorem, right?
Thank you, sir.
Right? Next, 37 to the power of 200. I want to calculate.
100 minus 11 के बाद समझा दीजिए।
देखो,
पिछले प्रश्न।
89 को हमने क्या लिखा? 89 स्क्वायर को हमने लिखा 100 minus 11 का स्क्वायर, और हमारी प्रॉपर्टी क्या थी? 100 plus minus k square will have the same last 2 digits as k square. So 100 minus 11 square will have the same last 2 digits as 11 square. What is the last 2 digits of 11 square? 21.
21.
So what is your answer? 21. Now what will you do? 21 to the power of 105. The unit digit of 21 to the power of any number will be 1. And to find the tens digit, I multiply the tens digit of the number with the unit digit of the power. 2 5s are 10. I ignore the 1, retain 0. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
So 37 to the power of 200. What is the unit digit? क्या करोगे? क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले
200 divided by 4.
200 divided by 4, because 7 to the power of 4 yields me a 1. So 37 to the power of 4 to the power of 50. Now 37 to the power of 4 can be written as 37 square into 37 square whole to the power of 50. What are the last 2 digits of 37 square? 37 square can be written as 50 minus 37. 50 minus 13 का square. So 69 multiplied by 69 whole to the power of 50. This is 69 square to the power of 50. What are the last two digits of 69 square? 69 can be written as 50 plus 19. Yeah.
40.
So 61 to the power of 50. अब क्या आएगा? 1 and 6 into 0 gives you a 0.
सर 61 नहीं 41 आएगा ना?
61 ही तो आएगा ना? 50
Sir,
plus
19
19.
square.
19 का square is 361. 29 का square 841 होता है.
Okay, sorry. Yes, sir.
Clear? चलो. Find the unit digit of 43 to the power of 120. अब क्या करोगे? अब तो ये 3 आ गया. फिर से सोचो 3 के पावर में क्या लाने से 1 आता है? 3 के पावर में 4 लाने से ही 1 आता है. So therefore, I will again follow the same process. 43 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 30. Correct? Now 43 to the power of 4 can be written as 43 square into 43 square whole to the power of 50. What is the unit digit of 43 square?
49.
Sorry, last two digits of 43 square? 49.
So 30 होगा.
क्या 30 होगा?
सर आपने वो 43 स्क्वायर into 43 स्क्वायर की पावर 50 करी.
30 हो जाएगी. हाँ, 49 into 49 is 49 square to the power of 30. अब क्या आएगा? 49 स्क्वायर का यूनिट डिजिट क्या आता है? 01 to the power of 30. और ये 01 ही आने वाली है. क्या सबको मेथड क्लियर है ये? If the method is clear, give me a thumbs up, please. Yeah. I guess we'll not be able to finish this topic fully. ये 3 क्वेश्चन करके दिखाओ मुझे. सब लोग ये 3 क्वेश्चन करके बताओ और मुझे आंसर बताओ. पहले वाले का आंसर कितने लोगों का आ गया?
तो आ गया.
क्या आंसर है?
81.
No. It can't be 81. It has to end in a 9, right? 7
21.
square. Not 21 as well. चलो देखो, सबसे पहले आपको 37 है तो अंदर क्या होना चाहिए? 37 to the power of 4. But you will appreciate that 226 is not fully divisible by 4. When you divide 226 by 4,
0.5.
4 5s are 20, 26, 4 6 are 24. You will get 2 as the remainder. Have you understood? So 4 5s are 20, 20 and 37 square. ये 37 स्क्वायर बचेगा बाहर. ये समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं सबको?
Yes, sir.
Now 37 square into 37 square whole to the power of 56 multiplied by this 37 square. What will be the last two digits of this 37 square? क्या होगा? 69. So you
69.
write 69 here. And what will be the last two digits of 69 into 69 whole to the power of 56?
61.
I can write this as 60 into 69. अब इसका last two digits क्या आएगा?
61.
61. So 61 into 69 का last two digits देखो क्या आता है? 9,
09.
54, 09. So your answer must be 09. Have you understood it? All of you? If you understood it, give me a thumbs up, please. Okay. Try solving the next question now. 73 to the power of 124. अनुष्का क्या आंसर आया? Yeah, Abir is right. Kashika is also right. Chalo, good. So many of you have got the right answer. Dinesh, what is the first step you will follow here now? Dinesh, what is the first thing you will do? Chalo, so 73 to the power of 4, I can write this as 73 square into 73 square whole to the power of 31. What is the unit digit of last two digits of 73 square? 50 plus 23 ka whole square. So 23 square, see this is 50 plus 23 ka square. This must have the last two digits of 23 square, which is 29. So I can write this as 29 square to the power of 31. Last two digits of 29 square is 41 to the power of 31. And what do you get? You will get 41 as the answer. अब इसमें किससे डिवाइड करोगे आप पावर को?
2 से
2 से करेंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि 9 स्क्वायर 1 आ जाता है. So I can write this number as 79 का square to the power of 62 multiplied by 79. Now what is the last two digits of 79 square? 79 square के last two digits क्या होगा? 41 to the power of 62 multiplied by 79. और इसके last two digits आएंगे 1, 4 2s are 8 into 79. And now you will get 9 ones are 9. 72 plus 7, 79. 99 should be the last two digits. Have you all understood this method? Yeah, Abir, you're right. If you understood the method, please give me a thumbs up. I think I'll have to continue the last two digits of even numbers in the next session, which I'll do. Any questions on whatever we have covered today? Anybody who has any doubts or any questions about what we've covered? Because tomorrow I'll be starting with remainder theorem. That should be the last topic of number theory. And in remainder theorem, we will also do Fermat's theorem and Wilson's theorem. दोनों करेंगे, Monday को करेंगे वो हम आखिरी दिन. Anybody with a doubt? No doubts?
No, sir.
Yeah. some of you, I think, have asked some questions on, the WhatsApp of our office, WhatsApp number. So if you have any question, please stay back. Others can leave. I'm through with the session today.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Most welcome. I think,
Thank you,
Anushka,
sir.
you had a question, right? Parul, when is your exam?
So
Infosys wala?
24th July.
Okay, fine. ठीक है पारुल, आप जा सकते हो.
सर मुझे उसके डाउट्स हैं तो अभी पूछ लूं क्या?
ये हो जाने दो ना, क्लास के बाद फिर मुझसे कनेक्ट करो. कनेक्ट.
ओके ओके सर. थैंक यू सर.
अच्छा. हाँ जी. Your questions, please. अनुष्का, आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन था, मतलब I received this message from the office.
No problem.
Okay. Anybody else?
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, how can I get the recorded videos of the sessions?
I'm sending the links every day.
Sir, your number is...
I means my office is sending you the recorded
No,
sessions. Are you
okay,
not
sir.
getting
I
these
did not-
messages?
No, sir, I did not get. That's why.
So, how are you getting the link then?
No, sir. First day I got the link. That only I am using.
It's the same link that continues. The link on the first day. It's a recurring class.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so what you
And-
need to do is you can see, this is where you can send a WhatsApp message.
Yes,
9522929468.
Yes, sir.
Send a hello with your name, and probably tomorrow, अभी तो ऑफिस में कोई नहीं होगा, but tomorrow you
Yes,
will
sir.
receive a response.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right? And
Yes,
Sabine,
sir.
are you always so quiet? You need to speak, right? I have no clue whether you understood anything or not today. Chalo, she still doesn't want to talk. So I'm through with whatever I had to cover. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you. Thanks for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Most welcome.